I figured I'd make a quick video with regards to just how we perceive things. And as you guys can see, my F30, the actual deflector that goes at the bottom, as well as the fender liner, is completely buggered. On the driver's side there isn't any deflector, and that's because we in South Africa, especially in Johannesburg, there's always stuff in the road and stuff, and it actually hurt the deflector and it was like splitting off. So I removed that, but what I didn't do is I didn't secure the fender liner. And so what happened was, because it's no longer in a secured place, that's what the deflector does, it sits at the bottom. What happened was, as I'm driving and the momentum of the wheel, it keeps on rubbing up the fender liner, would rub up against the tire and just constantly just get eaten up and just disintegrating the whole time. So I need to get a new fender liner and a new deflector. Went onto Google, just searched F30 fender liner, and I came across a company called Beeline Space, or it's Beeline. They're based out in Midrand in Johannesburg. I think they were formerly known as BMO Space. It's the first time I bought stuff from them for the BM, and I bought the fender liner for the passenger side just to see what it's like. And I'm not going to lie, guys, I was very surprised. Generally, when you buy something that's not OEM, even if it comes from another automaker that knows what they're doing, sometimes the stuff don't line up perfectly. You need to make modifications, like either drill new holes or make the holes bigger or something. With the fender liner, the passenger side, everything fit. Like the fit and finish was 100%. There was no need for me to drill, no need for me to make any modifications. And the quality of the plastic it's really, really, really good. So bought this is the deflector, and then this is the new fender liner for the driver side. And whilst I was at it, I actually went and bought, let me just take this out here. So for anyone that has an F30, you'll know that it's called the sticky door handles. Yeah, the soft touch plastic, just time and heat and stuff, it starts to melt literally, and you end up getting that sticky residue on your hands, and it's not nice, especially if it's like on my car it's black. I know there's also, I think there's red, and there is that caramel color. The same thing happens on the E90s as well. So on the grab handle that I got from Beeline, it's hard plastic, so I'm not going to have an issue again, and I'll gladly trade that over having the soft touch plastic. So the purpose of this video is just to say, to Beeline Space, if you ever do watch this video, I'm saying personally from my side, initially I went into like, okay, let me just try it out. It's not going to be as good as what I thought it was, and I was really surprised. So I'm saying kudos to you guys. I will be buying more stuff for my car from you guys. I need to get the cover for the headlights. I thought the OEM one is on, it's still going to be on the fender liner. It also just came off, so I just need to go pop and go buy that. And then I see they do sell coolant doses. They've got quite a selection of stuff, and they also do have I think they also they call it breakers, or I don't want to say scrapyard, but what they do is they salvage yard. So they do get a lot of cars in at the strip, and you can get second-hand parts from them. I might probably get some stuff for the E90 from them as well. But yeah, like I said, this video is literally just me just to say that I was really surprised, pleasantly surprised with the quality of the products that I bought from Beeline Space. Go check them out. I'll put links down in the description box below for you guys to go check them out as well. Their contact details, their website. They do have a social media platform as well. I know Facebook. I don't know about Instagram. I'll put all the stuff I can find on the description box below for you guys to go check it out. And what I'd like to know from you guys, have you bought from them, and what do you think? Me personally, again, I say I was pleasantly surprised. I'm impressed with the quality, the fit and finish of the products, and I can't wait to buy other stuff from them. I have got high expectations, you know, based on just this few stuff that I've bought. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I'd really love to hear from you as well. And as always, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Oh yes, and I will make a video where I fit these products. I will make a video where I fit these goodies onto the F30. So and also the grab handle, because I know that you need to drill. I've seen that you need to drill the actual handles off the door card. To get the door card out is easy. So I'll make a video of that as well, and I'll show you guys. So yeah, as always, stay safe out there, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.